Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw some cartoon cranberries. So to start off with our cranberries, we want to begin with the shapes of them. So I'm just going to start right here and I'm going to make a nice circle shape just like this for the first one. Then right next to it I'm going to draw another circle shape. That's just going to go right around and then it's going to connect right to here. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a third little circle that's just going to be behind both of these. Now, starting right back here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to curve out like this. And then it's just going to curve back like this for one of the leaves. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw another little line that curves like this. And then draw a line that just kind of curves down to here. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves out for another leaf. And then you just want to curve it back towards these other ones. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line here. And I'm going to do this on each of the leaves. And then I'm just going to put a little V shape on each one as well. I'm going to put about 3 little V's on each leaf. Now, to make these kind of fun, you want to put a little face on here. And there's lots of different faces that you can do. So, on this one, I'm just going to draw a little circle that's mostly colored in. And then I'm going to do another one right here. And then I'm just going to make a little line across for the mouth. And then give it a nice big happy face with a little tongue. And then I'm going to give it some eyebrows. Then over here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start off with a nice eye that's mostly colored in. And then I'm going to make kind of like a little sideways V shape to make it look like it's winking. And then a little smiley face right here. And then back here, I'm going to put another little eye here. And then another eye here. And this one, I'm just going to make a little kind of mouth that doesn't look too happy. And then I'm going to give it 2 little angry eyebrows since that one's kind of stuck in the back. And there you go. There's your drawing of some cartoon cranberries. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.